This is a story about sex and booze and fruit flies, and it finds that when a male fruit fly is denied the chance to have sex, he gets really interested in drinking alcohol. And they trace that to a particular substance in the brain and some brain circuitry there that seems to keep track of rewarding experiences. And if a male fruit fly is blocked from having sex, that's not very rewarding, and so the system kind of goes down a little bit, and the fruit fly is driven to find something that will raise that again, a rewarding experience, and that experience is drinking alcohol. There actually is a reason to do this study other than to make for a fun story for journalists. The fact is they are looking at brain mechanisms of alcohol use, and the hope is that they can define a brain system that drives behavior, that perhaps drives someone to drink, to put it bluntly. And once they can identify that system, they can perhaps work on it with some drugs that would prevent drinking in alcoholics. This research did, in fact, identify a certain substance in the fly brain that seems to play a role in this behavior of drinking alcohol in these flies. And mammals, like people, have a very similar substance in their brains, which gives you some idea that there might be a connection here that could be used. It's a very big step from a fly to a human, but you got to start somewhere. Flies are a good place to start because you have exquisite control over their genetics. You can manipulate their brains. You can do just amazing stuff in flies, and you've got thousands of them. You can do huge experiments. So this is a place to start, to find something and say, hey, maybe this is something we can follow up on. Whether this will really translate to people, it's going to take a lot of research to find that out.